Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage secure file sharing with ShareFile, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the ShareFile login page. Enter your credentials to sign in to your ShareFile account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. To start a secure file sharing process, click on the Files tab in the left-hand menu. Locate the folder where you want to upload your files. Click the Upload button, usually found at the top of the page. Select the files you wish to upload from your computer. After selecting the files, click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete, which will be indicated by a progress bar. Once uploaded, find the files in the designated folder. To share a file, click the checkbox next to the file name. Then, click on the Share button that appears at the top of the list. In the sharing options, you can enter the recipient's email address. Customize the message if you wish to add a personal touch. Set the access permissions, such as can view or can edit, according to your needs. You can also set an expiration date for the link if desired. Once you've configured the settings, click Send. An email will be sent to the recipient with the link to access the file. For tracking, you can return to the file and check the Activity section. This section shows who accessed the files and when. To enhance security, consider enabling two-factor authentication under your account settings. Regularly review who has access to your shared files and revoke permissions as necessary. With these steps, you can efficiently manage secure file sharing with ShareFile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.